Windows 95 was the first version of Windows with its user interface wrapped up in the Start menu. It was designed to put your programs in an intuitive format to make it easier to find and access. Later revisions of Windows attempted to capitalize on this, making changes as they released new operating systems. The most notable changes in recent history was the Windows 7 Start menu. For the time, it was considered the pinnacle of Windows operating systems. And of course, Windows 8. That Start menu's changes were globally disliked. Windows 10 sought to fix some of the issues of Windows 8 and found a middle ground between the loved Windows 7 user interface and the Windows 8 user interface that was so rejected. Over the years, Windows 10 has maintained the look of its Start menu and user interface. Here are a few features to help you organize the menu and make your work and personal machines easier to navigate. Did you know that you can resize your Start menu itself by left-clicking the Start button and opening your Windows tray, moving your cursor to the right-hand corner and waiting for the dual arrow key to pop up, and then left-clicking and holding your mouse while resizing the length and width of your Start menu. Your live tiles in your Start menu can also be resized. Open up Windows by clicking on the Windows icon in the lower left-hand side of your screen. Go to the live tile that you'd like to resize and right-click on that live tile. It will give you an option to resize it from small, medium, wide, and large, though it is dependent on the application. And in the same menu, you can also move and regroup your tiles to what makes the best sense for you. So all you have to do is, while you have your Start menu open, left-click on the tile and drag the tile to where you want it. In order to regroup your tiles, you can pull your tiles away from where you had them and set them apart with titles for each group. Would you like to get your Start menu a little closer to the days of Windows 7 and XP? Believe it or not, you can. Just right-click on the tiles that you'd like to remove and select Unpin from Start. Get rid of those annoying game ads that find their way onto your Smart menu and give it a more streamlined look. By using the same menu, you can also uninstall any application you don't normally use from your Start menu. If you'd like to brighten up your Start menu a little bit, you can do that too. Go to Start, Settings, and Personalizations, and in Personalizations you'll find a tab called Colors. This will allow you to change the colors on your Start menu, change light or dark themes, and several other options.